Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel. So today is my beautiful boy's, my little shining light, my cat's 14th birthday. So in true Jenna Marbles fashion, I decided to celebrate by throwing him a party. And he's not a dog, so I can't take him places and give him treats and stuff like that because he panics when he sees an ant crawling in his direction and he's scared of any noise. So we're throwing him a cat-themed birthday party in my home. So I went to the party place yesterday, not sponsored even though they want to. I'm okay with that. And I got some stuff to celebrate. I got these tiny little party hats, which he's gonna hate. And I got some balloons. And then I also got this tablecloth and that banner. So we're gonna decorate, we're gonna make cat balloons quickly before I bring him in. I'm just gonna try and like have everything ready for him when he comes in. So we're gonna get started on this. How do people put on party hats in like a cute way? Today. The streamers, I forgot the streamers. Okay, so we're gonna blow up some balloons. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some black construction paper and make them look like cats. And there we have it, a cat balloon. That's literally amazing. Wow. This is the balloon sitting station. This is going surprisingly well. I saw this on Pinterest because I am in fact a suburban mother of 6. And I was looking at cat birthdays at work, you know, instead of working, of course, priorities. And I discovered this and also the food we're gonna make for his birthday. I wanted to make Max like a cake or something, like you know how like you can make dogs like dog cupcakes. But I know him and he absolutely would not touch it. He might just sneeze on it and then walk away and yell. So we have something special for him, but I have something special for my mom and I as well to consume on this joyous day. Does this make me a crazy cat lady? Okay, so now that we're all decorated, we can wrap his present. So my local Humane Society, there's somebody who like makes cat toys, and then if you donate, you get one, which I like because it's like, you know, you get a toy and then the money goes for something good and not just like companies. And they have these mice that he's obsessed with. They're just like some knit mice or knit mice. It's a mouse that's made of knit. And it has catnip inside and he loves it. But they were out when I went yesterday. But they're like, oh, we have these pillows. Cats don't really like them as much, but like they're filled with catnip. So I got him one of these. You just donate and then you got one. If your Humane Society does it, I highly suggest you check it out because Max hates toys but loves this. Like I literally came into the living room last night and he had found this, gotten it out of a bag and was playing with it. So he ruined his birthday, but that's fine because I don't think he really remembers. We're gonna ignore that this bag is ripped. I didn't see that till now. Okay, so put his little toy in there. And I got one of these cute bows because I think it'll make him more interested and look at the bag because he's gonna want to eat this. So there's my present for my little baby boy. Now for the dinner meal part of this experience. So what I've done is I have bought some pre-made pizza dough and I'm going to make cat-shaped pizzas because once again I saw it on Pinterest. Except this just comes in a rectangle, so I need to split it in half and make one for my mom that's not vegan and then one for me that is like vegan, has vegan cheese and stuff. And try to mold it into the shape of a cat. So yeah. This is gonna be a lot of fun. I have washed my hands.
You wash your hands to keep those germs away. Wash, 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 wash your hands.
I figured these could be like cute whiskers for him. As the picture I saw had like sauce, but I feel like sauce just like wouldn't like stay visible. And also olives for the eyes, and I love myself, so I don't like olives. And then I got pre-cut mushrooms because Cats' noses kind of like look like mushrooms, so I figured like it would work. I don't know. Hello, birthday boy. He's 14. They grow up so fast. I love you, sweet pea. Oh, it's so sticky. Oh my gosh. Okay. Am I a slime channel now? Maybe. I think if I just keep kneading it together, it'll form one blob. I have a rolling pin. I bought a rolling pin. I don't have a rolling pin, but what I do have is this little Tinkerbell cup. I've done this before, and it has worked. Maybe this parchment paper is like not a good idea. I mean, it's not working. You know what? I don't hate that. We're gonna go with it. I'm just gonna put this one in first because I don't want to pick it up again. Here is cat number 2. Okay, she's so thick. This is Mom's Pizza, which means just cheese and, oh, it's so hot. I wonder if I can press it down in the center. Okay, now it's time for my beautiful pizza to shine. We did have a tragedy where we lost an ear. A little nose for my little man. Now a little circle of spinach for his eyes. Not gonna lie, this looks kind of like a dragon. Okay, that's adorable. Beautiful cat. You sit there for a second, okay? Sit in your birthday seat. Happy birthday, baby. We're gonna open your present. And what's inside? Look. Look. Yes, it's a door. The door you found last night. You wanna play with it? Wow.
Wow.
It's just sturdy center. Oh. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maxie. Happy birthday to you. Okay, sweetie, we're gonna blow your candle. Wow, wow, sweetie. I have hot wax on my fingers. Oh, sweetie. I want to eat with him. Happy birthday, baby. Okay. Wow, what a festivity. It was just sad what I've done today. Thank you for watching whatever this was. So you can like, subscribe, all that stuff down below, and I will see you next time.